This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Charming large home located within walking distance to beaches, boat ramps, outstanding fishing, downtown, restaurants and schools. This true 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home has an interior laundry room, attractive kitchen, living, dining and oversized family room. Some of the most desirable features are the rear detached 2-car garage/extra building, 23 by 20, fenced-in yard, attached carport and loads of parking for boats/RVs/trailers. Inside the house are knockdown ceiling finishes, freshly painted, lots of windows and decorative fireplace. This home is a must-see and available for a quick closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.